Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas Latest Designing United States Country Style Here and There. Today's video is going to be very interesting for you, in which you will be told how you can decorate your laundry room and how to make laundry room decoration design and laundry room decoration ideas latest designing English country style here and there. Show this again very beautiful new laundry room machines and cloth machines decoration ideas latest designing United States country style here and there. If you like my video, then please subscribe to the channel so that such videos can reach you, and I keep making home decoration videos and home designing, and this is great videos. I show you a picture of home decoration design and home decoration ideas latest designing United States country style here and there. That is great, nice looking, very beautiful home interior and home laundry interior decoration ideas. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. I show you a picture of laundry room design and laundry room machine decoration ideas. I hope you liked this video, and I am really excited to share this video. I hope you liked this video, and please subscribe this channel Home Decoration Ideas. Thanks for watching this video. Until next.